In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build WordPress posts, blog templates, and single post templates using Elementor, step by step, even if you're a beginner. This is one of the most powerful things you can do with Elementor, because once your templates are set up, every new post you create will automatically follow the same professional design. That means less manual work, better consistency, and a much cleaner website overall. If you're serious about building a WordPress blog or content site in 2026, this is a must-know skill. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where everything on your website is managed. From here, we need to make sure we actually have some content to work with because Elementor templates need real posts to preview properly. In the left-hand menu, go to Posts and click Add New. For the title, type something like 5 Best Weekend Trips from London. This can be any sample title, but having realistic content really helps when designing. In the content area, add a few paragraphs of text and insert at least one image so you can see how images will look inside your post layout. On the right-hand sidebar, scroll down and set a featured image. This image is extremely important because it's what will usually appear at the top of your post and in your blog listings. Once that's done, click Publish. Now you have a real post that Elementor can use for design previews. Next, we're going to build the single post template. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Templates and then click on Theme Builder. This is where Elementor allows you to visually design parts of your theme like headers, footers, blog pages, and single posts. Inside the Theme Builder, look for Single Post and click the plus icon next to it. A pop-up will appear with ready-made templates from Elementor's library. If you want a fast solution, choose a design you like and click Insert. Elementor will load the full layout for you. If you prefer to build everything manually from scratch, you can do that too. Search for the post title widget and drag it onto the page. Then add the featured image widget below it. After that, add the post info widget to show things like the author name and publish date. Finally, add the post content widget. This is the most important part because it pulls in the actual content from your WordPress posts automatically. You can now style everything however you want. Adjust spacing, fonts, colors, and layout until it matches your brand. When you're happy with the design, click the pink Publish button. Elementor will ask you for display conditions. Set it to Include and choose All Posts. Then click Save and Close. Your single post template is now live. Every post on your site will use this design automatically. Now let's quickly talk about blog templates. To build a blog or archive layout, go back to Templates and Theme Builder again. This time, add a template under Archive or Blog. The process is very similar. You can insert a pre-made template or build one manually using widgets like Post Title, Post Excerpt, Featured Image, and Post List or Posts widget. Once published, this template controls how your blog listing pages look. After everything is set up, visit your website on the front end and click into your blog and individual posts. You should now see your custom Elementor designs applied automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build WordPress posts, blog templates, and post templates with Elementor. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.